Hello, let us make this construction. It says construct perpendicular lines through a point on a line by hand. Now there are many kids who are confused about by hand and by technology. So here I have given this note. By hand it means you will be using arcs. By technology it means you will be using circles. And I have given links to all the constructions in the description of this video. So whichever you want hexagon inscribed in a circle, or you want equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle, whichever you want for geometry studies, you can go to the description and see the relevant video. So here it says we have been given a line. So this is my line. Let me name it AB. Now this is point on a line. So let's take a point on a line. Let me take C over here. And now I need to make perpendicular from these point. Very simple. I will take my compass. Here they says by hand. It means I will be using more arcs. I can open it with any comfortable width. So I opened this much. And here I will make arc. And I will make arc over here also. Now you need to open your compass little more than original width. So this is original width from this point to this point. I will open little more, and then I will change the color, and then I will make arc above it and below it. And then I will go over here, arc here, arc here. Let me name it. It's D here where this line and this arc intersects. Here it's E, here it's P, here it's Q. You can name by any letter. There is no rule for that. And now I will connect PQ. And if your construction is perfect, then it will automatically pass from point C. So you can see my construction is perfect. It's passing from P and Q and C. So this is perpendicular to original line. So I hope you find it useful. If you want to see the same construction by using technology, you can check the description. I hope you find it useful.